In this video, we will be learning about flip-flops. Flip-flops. Flip-flop is a sequential circuit which generally samples its input and changes its output only at particular instance of time and not continuously. Flip-flop is said to be edge sensitive or edge triggered rather than being level triggered like latches. Types of flip-flops. There are basically 4 different types of flip-flops, and these are set reset, JK flip-flop, D flip-flop, or also called data or delay flip-flop, toggle flip-flop, SR flip-flop. This simple flip-flop circuit has a set input S and a reset input R. In this circuit, when you set S as active, the output Q will be high and Q bar will be low. Once the output is established, rolling of the circuit is maintained until S or R go high or power is turned off. Two outputs are the inverse of each other. Circuit and block diagram. This is the circuit for SR flip-flop and the block diagram for SR flip-flop. Characteristic table. We can see that we have input for both S and R. Clock pulse. We have a present state as our output and the next state as another output. Characteristic equation says that Q of t plus 1 equal to S plus R bar Q to the function of t. This is the K map from which the characteristic equation is generated. Truth table. The input is here given and the outputs are also given, where Qn plus 1 is the previous state and Qn plus 1 bar is the next state. We can see that by giving 0 in both S and R, there is no change. On giving 0 in S and R in 1, it will come to reset state. 1 in S, 0 in R, we get set state, and by giving 1 in both S and R, we get an intermediate state. Simulation for SR flip-flop. As we can see here, we have used toggle switches, clock pulses, block for SR flip-flop, 2 bulbs, wherein by giving 1 in R and 0 in S, we get Q bar as 1 and 0 in Q. By giving 0 in S and 0 in R, by giving 1 in S and 0 in R, we get Q as 1 and Q bar as 0. By giving 1 in both, we get both as 0. And this is all about simulation for SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop. The input condition of JK is equal to 1. The input condition of J equal to K equal to 1 gives an output inverting the output state. However, the outputs are the same when one tests the circuit practically. In simple words, if J and K data or input are different, that is high and low, then the output Q takes the value of J at the next clock edge. If J and K are both low, then no change occurs. If J and K are both high at the clock edge, then the output will toggle from one state to the other. Circuit and block diagram. This is the circuit for JK flip-flop and the symbol for JK flip-flop. Characteristic table. We can see here that the input, by giving J equal to 0 and K equal to 0, we get Q as 1 and Q bar as 0. In which case the memory doesn't change. By giving 0 in J and 1 in K, we get Q as 1 and Q bar as 0, wherein the reset Q is greater than 0. Similarly, for set and then for toggle, while giving J equal to 1 and K equal to 1, we get output Q 0 and Q bar 1. This is about toggle action. Truth table. Clock pulse is standard kept as 1. J equal to 0, K equal to 0, we get Q and Q bar. There is no change in the state. Previous state is again retained as such. Clock pulse equal to 1, we get J 0, K 0, Q 0 and Q bar as 1, resets Q to 0. Similarly, by giving j equal to 1, k equal to 0, we get 1 in q and 0 in q bar sets q to 1. By giving 1 in j and k, the state is toggled. Characteristic equation: q of t plus 1 equal to jq of t bar to the function of t plus k bar of q. Simulation for jk flip-flop. Again, as such, similar to the SR flip-flop, we have used two toggle switches, one clock pulse, then two bulbs, one high constant, and jk flip-flop block, a NOT gate, and then a push button. By giving 1 in j and 0 in k, we get q as 1 and q bar as 0. By giving 1 in k, we get q bar as 1 and q as 0. By giving 1 in both, we get q as 1, q bar as 0. This is all about the simulation for jk flip-flop. D flip-flop. D flip-flop is a better alternative that is very popular with digital electronics. They are commonly used for counters and shift registers and input synchronization. In a D flip-flop, the output can only be changed at the clock edge, and the input changes at other times, the output will be unaffected. The change of the state of output is dependent on the rising edge of the clock. The output Q is same as the input and can only change at the rising edge of the clock. Circuit and block diagram. This is the circuit and block diagram for D flip-flop. Characteristic table. By giving 0 in D, we get output as 0, 1 in D, we get output as 1. By giving clock pulse as 1 and input 0, we get output as 1, and clock pulse 1, input 1, output is 0. Truth table. By giving, as we saw earlier, by giving 0 in clock, D0, we get Q and Q bar, there will be no change in the state. By giving 1 in clock, D will be 0, Q will be 0, Q bar will be 1, and resets Q to 0. Clock 1, D equal to 1, Q equal to 1, Q bar equal to 1, sets Q to 1. Simulation for D flip-flop. We have used two toggle switches, a clock pulse, a D flip-flop block, push button, NOT gate, high constant, and two bulbs. By giving 1 in D, we get 0 in Q and 1 in Q bar. By giving 0 in D, we get 1 in Q bar and 0 in Q. This is all about simulation for D flip-flop. T flip-flop. A T flip-flop is like JK flip-flop. These are basically a single input version of JK flip-flop. This modified form of J flip-flop is obtained by connecting both inputs J and K together. This flip-flop has only one input along with the clock output. These flip-flops are called T flip-flops because of their ability to complement its state, that is toggle, hence the name toggle flip-flop. Circuit and block diagram. This is the circuit for T flip-flop and symbol for T flip-flop. Characteristic table. By giving 0 in clock pulse, we get 0 as input and 0 as output. 0 in clock pulse, 1 in input, 1 in output, 1 in clock pulse, 0 in input, 1 in output. Clock pulse is 1, 1 in input, 0 in output. This is the characteristic equation for T flip-flop. For truth table, by giving enable input equal to 1 as standard, by giving 0 at T, there is no change in the state, and by giving 1, there has been a toggle that has happened. Simulation for T flip-flop. We can very well see that we have used two toggle switches, one clock pulse, one push button, one NOT gate, two bulbs, one high constant, and T flip-flop block. By giving 1 in E, 0 in T, we get Q bar as 1, Q as 0. By giving E as 1, T as 1, clock pulse being 1, we get Q as 1 and Q bar as 0. If the clock pulse is in 0, then we get Q bar equal to 1 and Q equal to 0 in the case of E equal to 1 and T equal to 1. This is all about simulation for T flip-flop. In the next video, we will be learning about counters.